Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you my college induction week. Sorry for the delay. I know I should have uploaded it before, but I was very busy with schoolwork, so sorry. So basically this is me going to school. Outfit check. I know this hairstyle doesn't suit me as much, but it's okay, I guess. It's okay. So I was actually so excited. I wanna actually talk while doing the videos, but in school it's very hard to film, so I'm just doing voiceovers. And also I promise I'll start uploading more. I'll try to work out my schedule to upload more. So this is me basically just going to school. I was actually so nervous. I was walking to the bus station. Okay, so here I'm in the bus. The bus was packed, literally so packed with so much people. It was actually so annoying. I barely had a place to sit, but so this is all the people just, I guess, going to school. Okay, so this is my college. You can see it. I'm not gonna say where it is, but this is my college. And here I'm in basically a small induction thing. We already had one, but a small one to explain how things work in the college, all the things that we have to log in and stuff. And so yeah, and also here's a clip of me filling out some information that they asked for. So yeah. Please don't cringe too hard. Just here, concentrating on feeling that thing. It was just basic information. It wasn't a test or anything. So yeah, just me here, filling in everything. So here's a clip of me in the library. I'm actually happy the library is so big. Be able to revise as much as I want in the library, and there's so many books in here. Actually, it looks like it's very big, so it's pleasantly surprised. So yeah, this is all the stuff that they have in the library. B-Tech book, A-level books. Well, I'm doing A-level, so I'll just focus in the A-level section. So yeah, this is me just showing you guys around the whole place. Okay, so basically here I'm taking pictures to the window of the college. So this is here just basically us like eating our lunch. There's a lot of people outside, so it's really good. I was eating like some chips and like some nuggets and stuff, so yeah. So this is like a clip of like my outfit just for you guys to see. But yeah, I think it was kind of cute. Okay, and now this is just me walking around the college. Like there's this like area, so it's really nice to walk around. Like there's just like a lot of like free space and stuff, so it's very nice. So this is me going into the A-level center, basically going to my lesson. Then this is me out. This was filmed multiple days, so this is like another day where I was eating in the canteen. Okay, so this is me going into like the sports section of the college, just looking around, and yeah. Okay, so this is me just walking to the sports hall. There's so much people, so many cars, so many things there. So yeah. Okay, so now we're in the sports hall, and we just want to go and see if there's actually a gym, but we don't think we're going to be able to use it as much because it mostly opens in like hours when we have class, so yeah. But this is the gym. Basically, it was closed by this time. So this is us going back down again. So we're going back to our building, the A-level center. Okay, so basically this is us just going back to our building. So we have to go through a couple of stairs and then go through like a door thing, and then we could go. actually had to walk so much to get back to our building. So basically, this is a clip of us outside the school. This is during break. We're just like exploring the area because it's a really beautiful area. So we're just here and we're just looking around with the shops and stuff. So yeah. This is me in like a store thing. We're just looking around and stuff, just like exploring the area and whatever. So yeah, because it was break. So this is just me looking around and stuff. And like yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you have any video suggestions, please comment down below. Bye.